They look peaceful, silent, untouched by chaos of land, but beneath every floating water lily is a world that never sleeps, and sometimes it's watching you back. Welcome to Blackoutlobby. Tonight's specimen isn't loud or violent. It waits, drifting on still water across the world. The water lily is often mistaken for decoration, but this plant doesn't grow in water. It controls the surface. What is a water lily? Water lilies belong to the family Nephraceae, an ancient plants that have existed for over 100 million years. Long before humans ever walked the earth, these flowers were already floating. Their leaves, called lily pads, spread across the surface like green shields, while their roots anchored deep into the dark, unseen mud below. They live in still waters, ponds, lakes, slow rivers, places where movement is minimal and silence is heavy. Beauty with purpose. Water lilies aren't just pretty, they are engineered. Their leaves repel water, staying perfectly dry. Their structure allows them to float effortlessly, and their flowers open and close with precise timing. Some bloom during the day, others only at night, almost like they're choosing when to be seen. But their most important role, they control light. By covering the water surface, they block sunlight from reaching below, regulating temperature and quietly shaping everything that lives underneath. The world below. Under a water lily is a different ecosystem entirely. Fish hide in the shadows. Insects breed in silence. Predators move unseen. The lily pad becomes a ceiling, a barrier between two worlds, one bright, one hidden. And if you ever step into a pond covered in lilies, you've crossed that barrier without realizing it, because what's below knows you're there. Symbolism and myth. Across cultures, water lilies are symbols of rebirth, purity, enlightenment. In ancient Egypt, they were linked to the sun and creation itself. In other traditions, they represent transformation, rising clean and beautiful from dark, muddy depths. But that symbolism hides the truth. The water lily doesn't escape the darkness. It feeds from it. Its beauty exists because of what lies beneath. The quiet truth. Water lilies don't chase. They don't hunt. They don't need to. They dominate by stillness, by patience, by presence. They turn entire bodies of water into controlled environments where everything adapts or disappears. All the while, they remain perfectly calm. So the next time you see a water lily floating peacefully on a quiet pond, just remember, that surface isn't empty, it's claimed. Subscribe to Blackoutlobby, where even the calmest things have something beneath them.